guys, thank you so much for coming to my channel for today's video. So I'm going to share with you my Ipsy bag for the month of October. This year is just flying by, so if you guys want to see what I got in my Ipsy, I believe this is the Glam Bag Plus, Ipsy Glam Bag. There's too many like subscriptions and too many like upgraded subscriptions now, so I get confused, but I will put on the screen exactly what this is. I think it's an upgraded Ipsy somehow. So yeah, let's get into the video. All right, let's rip into this bag. Okay. Oh, yeah, you pull out this little kind of, just October is a weird month because it says your magic, which is kind of cute, but then you turn it over and it's like a weird eye with like weird symbols. I'm not all about this kind of thing. No. So I will just get rid of this bag. Whatever. The October BoxyCharm, which I just filmed, had like a bloody thingy for their card, which it's just like whatever, you know, like we're not all into that creepy, gross, weird symbols and like, no, like we're not all into it. I'm not, I don't like it, whatever. You can agree with me or not, I don't really care. Anyways, we're getting, is there a little card? So they have little card things, but it doesn't tell you about the products or the prices. So I don't really know what things are and how much they cost, but let's just look and see what we got. So the first thing I got is this Araceli Perfect. It's like Spanish. Ojos Perfectos Gel Pencil Eyeliner Duo with Sharpener. Okay, it's just the name. Ojos Perfectos. Perfect eyes. Okay, gel pencil eyeliner, 2 units, chocolate and then cinnamon, and then there's a sharpener. So let's see. Okay, I just pulled these 2 out of the box. These seem like really short, so I think there's a sharpener. Yes, sharpener on the other end, which that's awesome. I always like lose my sharpeners. I always am like, where did it go? It was right here yesterday. They just run off along with your hair ties and bobby pins and binkies for babies because those just disappear. So let's see what we got. So one is like this one's like a darker, more rich brown, and then this one's like a bronzy brown, but they're so creamy. I would probably just use this for my like waterline. I don't think I would use this on top because when things are so creamy and slidey like that, they just go everywhere. They're not like, it's really hard to control, if you know what I mean. So not so sure about that, but I do like that there's the sharpener in there. Okay, what else do we got? We got a Trestique Define, Sculpt, and Set Brow Pencil. Do I have one of these? I have something from this brand for brows. I don't know if it's the exact same. Let's see. I don't think it's this one actually. Okay, so this one we have a tinted brow gel, which I love. I use them every day. And this side, ooh, yes, it's the like kind of teardrop shaped pencil. And seems like a good formula. It's kind of hard to write on your hand with, which that's what you want for brows. You don't want like an eyeliner that just like goes on like really dark. So that's nice. Ooh, a Misho Beauty. I don't know what that is. This is a nail polish. Can I ever just open things like nicely the way that they're meant? Ooh, there's 2 in here. That's pretty. Just a nice pale pink and then a clear top coat. This shade is called Unbothered. This is the perfect shade. Like, I think I will paint my toes later today because I went and got a pedicure the other day and I chose like a more it's like a light pink, but it's like bubblegum pink. And I'm like, I should have done more pale. So this one looks really pretty. And these bottles are really pretty too. So I like that. What else do we got? Oh, Dr. Brandt Dermapore Abrasion, which I have seriously gotten like 6 of these in subscription boxes. I don't know why they give this out so often. Like, I don't need 10 of these. I really don't. I like it. It works good. I just don't use it that often. So what? Can we stop sending this product, any subscription box? Like, I think everybody has gotten this now. Like, stop. I love Dr. Brandt. Can we get some different products, please? Dr. Brandt. Different stuff. All right, and the final thing, is this Moods palette by Laura Sanchez. I almost dropped it. Okay. So, again with the themed, like crystal ball, not into it. It does look pretty. I think I'm just gonna give this away because honestly, I'm over keeping makeup products that are named things that I don't like, or just show things I don't like, or pictures of things, whatever it is. I think I'm over it. Not okay with crystal balls and fortune tellers and all of that stuff. So I'm just gonna get rid of this. So don't know if this is good or not. Don't really care. Not about it. All right, that is it for my October Ipsy bag. And let me know in the comments down below if you get Ipsy and if you got the same things as me or not, or tell me what you got, if you got different things. And also I wanted to mention I am doing a huge giveaway on my other YouTube channel. I just started a new channel. It's called Glazed Epoxy, where I do all fun epoxy things. I do a lot of glitter, a lot of molds and coasters and cups and different art things with epoxy. So I'm doing a huge giveaway, so go on over to that channel and check it out if you're interested. And that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.